I went to Dubai for 30 days and I just came back, and I don't want to explain to you how is my refrigerator look like. Like my daughter was doing too much cooking in the kitchen, and the refrigerator is like, ooh, massive. So I decided to go and clean it, so come with me. So you guys ready to see the damage? Let me show you the damage. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Like, what is that? What is that? What is that? Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up. والله مش عارفة من وين أبلش. إشي بخوف. Okay, I think I'm gonna put all those bottles on the side. Take them out of my way. كل هاي هون أناني كله. هلا حبلش أفضي التبرويرز. أنا أغسلهم. Linda! Linda, come help me! You're not dishes dirty. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. عمري. Here. يلا. Disaster. Okay, let me show you guys right now where I'm at. So I gathered up all the old one, and that's all good date. None of them expired. It's good. And right now we're gonna start. I think Coach washed these for me. So here you go. I'm gonna start right now putting the stuff in it. Organized everything. I barely have some. I barely have grocery, but I like to get grocery daily. I don't like to get grocery, and I just put because I don't cook every day. That's why. So here you go. Here, this veggie. So this veggie, this veggie. Pink. This one gotta go here. I put it here. Okay, more grocery. Here you go. Okay. Chibney. نحطها هون. بيكنج صوص لازم يكون هون. تأكد الباب بيسكر. نو. اوكي احط هاي هون يمكن. نو برضه لازم تكون هون. خلينا نشوف هلا. لا برضه لا هيك. بحط هون. طيب بسم الله. وبقيم هاي جرب اسكرها. يا هاي المشكلة. اوكي خليني انقلهم. في واحدة بتقول لي ما في شيء اسمه تركي bacon. It's only bacon. There you go. Let me show you guys. Turkey bacon. See? Should put it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, this one's done. هاي هيك خلصت الحمد لله. I'm done. Not much grocery. ما عنديش enough أغراض، بس ما بدي، بحبها تكون فاضية أحسن. بحب أجيب يومي، أنا ما بحب أخزن. هيها الحمد لله أتليس الواحد صار يعرف شو عنده شو ما عنده أتليس. هلا أنظفها من برا لأن الوضع مأساوي هون. اوكي يعني شوفوا أمانة الله، شوفوا مش حرام عليهم. شوف أنا بنظف وهن بوسخوا. الله يسامحها بنتي. هيك ما بعرف. زبطي امي، زبطي يا حبيبتي. كل شي هون عندي ظابط، بس بنتي الله يصلحها. هيك عملت لي. طيب عرفش ليش بنتي بتحبش تنظف. اوكي احسن. Okay, I use this stainless steel cleaner, that brand. I like it. Here's my freezer. It's gonna be a different day. If I show you my freezer, it's a disaster too. Like, look. This is not okay. This is not okay. I don't know why Linda buys stuff like that and she does not eat. We never eat this stuff. So شو هاي مش عارف. أنا بنتي الله يسامحها. شو هاي؟ كل شيء upside down. كل شيء. هذا يكون يوم تاني. شوف كيف معفش اكتل لي كل شيء يا جماعة. كل شيء حطيت لي اياه فوق تحت تاني. الله يعين بيتها. هذا حيكون يوم تاني ولا اسويه هلا؟ والله ما عارفة. خليني اسويه هلا. لا فيش وراي شيء. يلا بنظبطها هاي كمان. هاي شايفين كيف لما نضيف. It does the job actually. I like it. هذا على الكب. ليش؟ تركت لي اياه مفتوح. You can't eat it when it's open like that. الله يسامحها. Okay. يا رب ما تشوف السناب تبعي وتشوفني بحكي عليها. شو بحكي؟ مش طبيعي. اوكي، مشكلة كبيت لي الخميرة everywhere. Oops. God, let's wash this. This is almost time. نبلش هلا نصفط. نبلش حط اللحمة. So organize the meat first. The shrimp. Add it here. I think I have one more bag. I did see one more bag. Bismillah. No, that bagel. These are the $30 bag of bagel my daughter buy. Sure. Okay, maybe not. Okay. I left my pan. خلينا نحط الدجاج هون. This freezer small, doesn't fit anything. I think I make it work. هو بيسكر. يب الحمد لله. اوكي هلا شو حامل؟ خبز. Finish cleaning it. Everything clean. I can see what I have. Alhamdulillah. This one is done. Look how beautiful. And right now, this baby in here. This is bad. This one bad. Embarrassing. Yo, look at this. ما بتقدريش تروحي شهر تتركي البيت وترجعي تلاقيه زي ما هو. واخي ربي بس. اوكي يعني هذا بزبطش هون. هذا بروح على الثلاجة الكبيرة. اوكي طلع هاي. جبت تنظيف. اوكي خلص معي. Dun, dun, dun. خلصت منطفة من برا بس لسه في تلاجة برا لازم انضفها كمان. Guys, look who came to visit you, Fifi!
I'll clean it. Well, I will. Just take him.
Look who came to visit me!
See hi, Dad.
Look, 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 look. Yalla, ta, ta, ta. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi.
Oh, here, let me cut
Say
your
hi.
baby's nails.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. He needed it badly. So Fifi, I called Fifi to come over to cut Kai's nail because his nail really long. I've been stuck with a lot of things, and I go and I help him. Like, look how long his nail. Look how long his nail. Let me see. So wallah, he does.
Wallah, very bad.
Has a bad
Can you
breath.
call Cream, tell him bring the toothbrush? Oh, let me call him. Brush and cat toothpaste upstairs.
Ooh, Kai, you need to brush your teeth.
Yeah, he definitely does. So that way you don't have to come back and do it.
Habibi, you need it.
Baby.
You need it.
Don't get mad. I'll be quick. I'll be
You
quick.
need it, Habibi.
I'll be quick.
It's okay, Kai.
I'll be quick. You don't
It's
miss
okay.
me?
It's okay, Kai.
You don't miss me, Kai? I know you don't.
That's why I don't call his name.
Literally, he does not miss me. There you go. Almost done.
What
Yes,
you have
almost
need?
done.
Almost done. Almost done.
We're not almost done. We haven't done one hand yet.
Okay, let's just say that. Say that.
Oh, his nails are very long. Wow.
Yeah, it's very long.
I'm just going to cut them very fast so you don't feel it. Very fast. Complainer. Complainer. Oh, he has a very foul smell in his mouth. I think it's because he needs to clean his teeth. We'll clean it for you. Don't worry.
Look at look. Look at Chico. Look at Chico. طلع.
Yeah, he has something in his mouth. Crack. I think the doctor told me this last time.
You want toy? You want toy?
Where's his toys?
You want toy? Let me give him toys. Yeah, خوي. No, it is great.
Oh, he remembers it. Sorry, Kai. Okay, relax.
You like it? Hey, be nice.
He's not in the mood to be nice right now.
No, he has to be nice. You need to cut your nail.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Zell. بدنا نقص أظافرك.
Look how long they are. Let me show everybody how long they are.
No, I need to sweep now. Wow, it is long. It's long.
Well, you can't even. You have to sweep this, but you can't.
I know. I will sweep it. It's fine.
I know.
Kai, be nice. Be nice, Habibi. Be nice. Be nice. Ya Rabbi. Oh.
You see how long that is?
Yeah.
Here,
I know. بقول لك, he been stuck.
No, that's normal. My cats have really long nails right now too. I have to trim them soon.
It's okay. You're doing well. You're doing well.
Just draw 'em over.
Oh. Oh.
He's like extra dramatic because you're here.
بتدلع وأنا هون. يا روحي.
He's done anyway.
Here you go.
خلص.
هاي آخر واحدة.
No, that's it. He's done. And I didn't make him bleed even once. Not even once. Not a single dot of blood. Which is really good because sometimes it happens on accident, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You go too deep.
So guys, كاي عم بقص الضافرة هون حبيبي. هلا بننظف تحت الأظافر.
Getting him his pedicure.
وين
You
هي؟
don't like Tash?
You done?
Yeah, he's just a little bit of a trim here.
Was he crying?
No.
Who? Taj or Kai? Kai was crying a lot.
You guys really put this up?
He was?
Yeah, he was.
That's a crying?
This is him crying. He's upset. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, he's yelling at me. صرخ علي قاعد.
Kai!
مش عاجبه.
Kai!
Okay, mommies. Okay, yalla, you're done. Okay, clean your eye boogers. Why? Okay. See, Mama, this is not how you yell at Mama. You have to be nice and respectful. Whoa.
Taji, you miss Kai?
I know, hold on. I'm just going to clean your boogers.
Taji, you miss Kai?
Okay, you're done.
No. But his nails
Let me
too.
throw this away. And then, oh no, get that away from him. And then let me brush his teeth.
You gonna cut the nails in the future? Huh?
Do you mind putting that in the trash for me, please? Let me take the toothbrush.
You should have got his ear stuff.
That was a big problem. I completely forgot.
Check his ears.
Check his ears? How? I think his ears are okay. Has he been itching now?
Normal.
No. Next time I come, I'll do his ears. Seems like they're okay. I don't know how I could check them and know they're okay, but it seems fine.
Dirt.
What do you mean dirt?
Well, like gunk or whatever.
There is gunk.
You see?
No?
I forgot his name.
Okay, Fifi got toothbrush for Kai. First time she's using it.
It's called a Ryer cat.
You wanna brush your teeth?
See? It's supposed to be really good for that.
He wants to brush his teeth.
Okay, yalla, let's brush his teeth.
Okay, one of them's for
Where do you brush his teeth? Here or at the
small
sink?
microhead and then charcoal bristles can
Here?
neutralize bacteria.
There's no way.
Wow.
He'll go crazy if he sees the water.
Yeah, no, you just use... Ooh.
Is it black? No.
It's charcoal, like it's charcoal infused.
The toothpaste?
The toothbrush.
Oh, the toothpaste is the one from the vet.
The vet, yeah.
Look at him.
Hashor.
Big time. Big time.
Guy's not so happy. Let me see his nails. How long was his nails? Oh my god. He had daggers.
Daggers, literally.
Yeah, ya haram.
Wow.
This is worse than our cat.
Yalla.
Kayla. He doesn't mind this, I don't think. I've never had an issue with him. Oh, I don't know if I've ever brushed his teeth.
Yeah, you have.
But yeah, I have. He doesn't mind it.
Oh, he likes it.
He doesn't mind it. The toothpaste is beef flavored.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Does he have plaque at all?
Looks like he does, bro. And I feel like I did a good job. So,
Oh, what are you doing?
oh yeah, this is really good. This is a really good toothbrush.
It can't go to dentist.
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
they have to put him under though.
You have to go to sleep when you take
They
them.
put him to sleep. That's why they don't recommend it.
The kids, that can kill them.
Dogs too.
Honestly,
Persian cats have the tooth problem.
like, okay, Sky, she has a heart issue. I can never put her under because I could kill her.
Yeah,
But
haram.
he should be okay.
No, it's stress.
It is stress, to be honest. You have to give them like gabapentin before too, and lots of medicine, just for them to give
It's
them.
not
the
worth
shot.
it.
I know. One of Cream's brothers just did it with his dog. They had to give him medicine
Let
before
me see
before they put him down.
the edges.
Haram, and they give him a big shot. Yeah, do you see?
The redness.
Cat
Kai.
brushing his teeth. Well, it's not bad.
Let me see.
I want to add more toothpaste. You want to add me some more?
I think your son wants help you.
Wanna help me some more, mamas? Yeah.
Let me see his thing. Let me see, Kai. Let me see. Let me see. Smile.
I heard her breed those. No, look how good they are. They're already clean. This is an excellent toothbrush. No, seriously. And he doesn't mind it. It's not like harsh on him.
Because he likes the flavor. He's like Chase. I mean Chase. He's like Taj.
No, he's like Chase. Like Taj. Oh yeah, Taj when I brush his teeth.
Taj
He
eats
likes,
the toothpaste.
he likes to eat the toothpaste for sure. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, he is eating the toothpaste.
Okay, a little hat. One more time, just a corner here.
It's beef flavor. You're alright.
Yeah, it's beef. The doctor told me this is the best one. Yo, all done. Now go let mom smell your breath.
He
Go.
kissed me every night. I never smelled
Oh my
his-
god, big